G'day, Anton here from Perth Gardens. I'm going to do a review on this new Ego 980 cubic meter per hour cordless blower. This is an upgrade on the older 900 cubic meter per hour blower, and it is the LB5804E model. It comes as a kit only, so you can't currently get this as a skin, and it's a sort of a commercial upgrade on the lower spec model. In this kit, you're going to get the blower, of course, the blower tube and a couple of nozzles, a 56 volt 5 amp hour battery, which is an upgrade of the battery, 56 volt rapid charger, and a shoulder strap. And that 5 amp hour battery is going to give you up to 180 minutes of runtime on the lower speed with its new brushless motor, and you get a 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty. So there's some really cool things in this new model, which I'm going to show you once we unpack it all and take a look at the components of the package. Let's have a look at it. So there's the contents of the kit all laid out so you can see everything that comes in the box. Instructions, the blower tube, 2 different nozzles including a wide flat one. Be interesting to give them a try and see how they work. There's the actual blower itself, the 5 amp hour battery, shoulder strap, and a rapid charger. Let's have a quick look over the tool and look at the different parts we've got here. So this is the nozzle they call the flat nozzle. There's also a spread nozzle and a release button there, tube release button here. We've got the base, the air intake here, the 5 amp hour battery goes on here at the back with a battery release lever there. A couple of innovations that I've noticed here. This has a variable speed trigger. The last model was just, it was either on or off and had a speed dial separate to the trigger. But this one, you can see you can vary the speed directly from the trigger, which I think is a very good innovation. And then the turbo button, which the last model had as well, which gives you access to the maximum amount of airflow all at once. It also has a lock-on dial so that you can lock it on, so you can see the blower is actually running there without me using the trigger at all. And we can increase the speed there or turn it off completely. It also has a shoulder strap, and the shoulder strap is a good idea when you're using the bigger batteries, I think. I've found from using the previous model that the 2.5 amp hour battery is quite comfortable to use, but obviously has a shorter run time. The fact that they provided it with a bigger battery is really good, because you know, one of the limiting factors with these tools is always battery life, and getting the longer run time with greater airflow is a good thing, but it would get hard on your arms. So I think the shoulder strap will make a big difference with that, and even allow you to use perhaps the 7.5 amp hour battery if you want even longer running time. So here's just a few specifications if you're interested. The voltage 56 volts, of course, the maximum air volume at the nozzle 980 cubic meters per hour at 65 meters per second. The approximate runtime with the included 5 amp hour battery is 18 minutes on turbo and 30 minutes on high speed, or 200 minutes on the low speed. And that's fairly theoretical, I think, because no one's going to be using it on the low speed for that long, but just interesting as a reference point. So next we see the weight, 2.18 kilograms without the battery pack, and the noise volume is 68 decibels, which is better than most petrol tools.